Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to edit blog posts in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website you want to edit blog posts on, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and to start editing my blog posts, simply click on this little blog icon and you will see all the available blog posts on your blog. And to edit a blog post, it's simple. Just click on it and you will jump directly to the blog post editing page. Starting with post settings. Here you can edit your blog post title, your description from here, your blog post link or URL from here. Your blog post author will be can be updated from here, and also the publishing date. You can select a different publishing date. From the featured image tab, you can edit your blog post's image or photo. Click on replace. You can upload your blog post photo from your computer or using free images from here. And from the categories tab, you can attribute different categories to this blog post. Click on select categories. On this website, I only have this single category, and I can create new ones from here. Next to post settings, we have the blog post status. Here you can change it from draft to public, and after each, let's say it was public and you want to make it in draft, simply or only clicking or only changing the status to draft doesn't mean the blog post is in the draft yet, because you still need to hit this update website button in order to publish this change. Let's return it to public. And below that, we have the post or the blog post header. It can be edited from here. You can edit the blog post text size. You can show or hide different elements of this post header, like the reading time, the date published, the author, the categories, or even the description. And from the background, you can select a different color for this as the background for this section. And here, to edit this blog post first image, just select it, click on edit image. Same thing, you can replace your image by uploading a photo from your computer or using free images. And here you just double click the text to start writing your text here. And let's say you want to add a photo. Simply click on this plus icon, then drag and drop this image element like that, and then place it where you want it to be. Same thing for text. Just drag and drop this text element. Here, if your blog post is long, you can adjust this section height from here. Now double click this text, select paragraph 1 and start writing your text. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free.
Without any further ado, let's continue our video.
And start writing your text. You can duplicate a text element from here. You can even make this photo or this any element on your page visible depending on the website visitor device. You can, for example, this image can only be visible or will be hidden on mobile or on desktop or on both of. And also same thing for the can be showing on can be visible on mobile and also desktop. I think that's after and don't forget after finish editing your or after editing your blog post, don't forget to hit this update website button to publish these changes. And this is how to edit a blog post in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.